Hi YouTube, this is another hiking trail I'm reviewing for you. This one's from the beautiful Elk Island National Park, just 45 kilometers east of Edmonton in Alberta. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll be giving you my tips about where to see beaver and bison on this trail. We stayed at the Elk Island Resort and Camping Grounds. It's a private camping ground just outside the national park, which I can highly recommend. There was plenty of space and the facilities were some of the best I've ever experienced. We stayed with our family and another couple with their kids. The good thing was it's just outside the reserve, so you don't need a Parks Canada pass to stay there, but you do need one if you want to go to Elk Island National Park itself. We took a nice day trip on Thanksgiving to the national park to walk the Beaver Lake Trail. The trailhead's easy to find. It's on the main road after you get through the park entrance. It's got ample parking, restrooms, and plenty of information for travellers on billboards at the start of the trailhead. As you can see, we did this trail with our kids and another family. The trail is great for all ages and fitness levels. The Beaver Pond Trail is only 3.5 kilometres long through some woods and marshy areas and around the Beaver Lakes in a loop. We did this in the fall, in the morning, as you can see, perfect sunny conditions, and it was nice and cool. Yeah, the time was around 10 AM and there's plenty of walkers out and about on this trail at the time. The trail is well marked, if not for the autumn leaves. The trail's plenty wide enough and there's only minor undulations with no steep or long ascents at all. Unfortunately, I'd say the trail's not currently suitable for wheelchairs or mobility scooters or even bikes. There was a number of felled trees and branches along the trail that cut the trail in a few areas. You needed to step over or climb over these, probably from the beavers. I would recommend checking in advance with the park rangers to verify that the trail's clear if you are attempting it not on foot. As of today, the 8th of October 2022, I would say it's not suitable for wheelchairs, unfortunately. Unfortunately, we didn't see any beavers on our trip, but we saw plenty of evidence of fresh beaver activity. This was on trees and on numerous lodges around the trail. I think we may have had a better chance if we'd come a little earlier in the day, and maybe if we didn't have our noisy children, we might have actually seen some beavers this morning. My recommendation would be come nice and early, go to the top half of the trail loop, find a nice cozy spot and sit and wait to see if you can see a busy beaver popping out of the lodge. We also crossed numerous fresh bison droppings, but again, we may have been a little too late in the day to actually catch a glimpse of the bison. If you are keen to see bison, there are plenty in the park. We drove past a few large herds on the highway and friends of ours also caught a glimpse. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, the Beaver Lake Trail is really beautiful and I'd highly recommend this walk. Thanks guys, and if you've made it this far, please give us a like and don't forget to hit subscribe. Cheers, bye.